How to fix Redmi Note 13 Play Store not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on apps. And then click on manage apps. And then search here Play Store. Now click on Google Play Store and then click on storage. Now here you can clear your Google Play Store storage. After clear the Google Play Store storage, then go back to your home page and check your internet. After checking your internet connection, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time. And then swipe up to power off your device and then turn back on. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.